Alright everybody, we got Patrick here. Patrick is on, how many days of training we on right now with you?
4.
We're on day number 4 here. Now we've been working hard with Patrick to get flawless results on smaller dents. You know, I told Patrick, like many of you guys know, if you can't get a small dent flawless, you're not going to be able to get a larger dent flawless. So here's what we're doing. This bad boy right here. This one we're going to go ahead and do it on the car. You can see here we got a 2014 BMW door buckle, and it's got a few little problem areas right here. Got a real nice little crown buckle up here at the very top. Definitely gonna need to reshape that thing out. And anyhow, we're gonna formulate our game plan here, and we're gonna get started, and we're gonna jump on this. So what do you think looking at that? How's it gonna look when we're finished?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, so do I. So anyhow, guys, we'll check back on Patrick here and look at his finished results. Alright everybody, we are a few minutes into this repair here, and we had Patrick actually start this dent out with glue, and we got it down to kind of a nasty little ripple right there running through the panel. Let me ask you, Patrick, did you expect for it to move like it did after doing some glue pulling?
Not really.
And to begin with, you actually did a little bit of knockdown work. Is that what you're going to go in and do next?
Yeah.
All right, good. Patrick's not much of a talker, so we'll just keep the camera on him until he says something. All right, yeah, I'll stop doing that. But anyhow, here we go. We'll take a look here, and we are just partially through this repair, and we're going to keep on rolling through it and see what we come up with. So, all right, Patrick, this is your chance to shine, man. Time to glass this thing out. Alright, so we have Patrick knocking down that deep, sharp crown that you guys seen there. Started out with a soft tip, and then we moved into a sharper tip because the peak of it is so strong that Patrick actually needed to go in there and pinpoint the damage. Really got this thing coming along good though. Lots of hits there to get that thing to move. We'll have to fix everything down here through the bottom of the panel. But literally, guys, we are about 20 to 30 minutes into pushing on this thing. Alright everybody, we're all finished on this BMW dent here that we worked on here today. There we go. Real nice smooth transitions there.